And one of the things that I really like is sometimes we have clients who understand the importance of what a Google My Business page is, but they don't even know what their Google My Business page looks like. They know how to sign in to Google My Business. They know how to check their insights and add photos and update their posts, but they have no clue where it's showing up. And so it's beautiful to know that despite they don't know where it is, that they still do it anyways, because we all understand the importance of it. And so right here, if you're looking at my page on the right-hand side where it shows Accelerate Marketing, it has photos, it has how many Google reviews you have here, your address, your hours of operation. This right here that you're looking at is your Google My Business page. People will visually see your location. They'll be able to find contact details really quickly and then see your business hours. Keeping your business hours current is very important. Even just signing in to say we're closed for Easter, that matters. Even though you think the world knows, sometimes they don't, and that matters. You can't take advantage of that.
It's your Google My Business page, but I mean, what an amazing opportunity that you have. I mean, you can change out your photos. You can see there that there's questions and answers, that people can ask. I mean, there's all kinds of customization that you can do here. You can even create a 360-degree virtual tour of your business so that people can literally experience your business before they even get there. I mean, there's all kinds. I mean, you can change your office hours, obviously, things like that. You can even make it so that people can text any questions so they can really get quick access to you as well, which is really cool. And even create, additional things like, posts. And I mean, this is the reason why this is so important is because you're looking at like 60 to 70% of people, they go to Google. And so this is there's a lot of directories out there, but, none that have that volume of people actually going and looking at their directories like Google does. Like 60 to 70% of the search traffic is going through Google. So if you're going to spend your time anywhere in terms of optimization and spending time creating content, then I mean, you got to go where the numbers are, and it's just definitely Google's got it.
Also, if you have any questions in regards to anything that we've been talking about, send us a message at m.me/accelerate marketing, and we'll get in contact with you with either a video message or an audio message. So in regards to Google My Business page, another thing as well is it's very important that you fill out all the information as much as possible, because if you see right here, anyone can suggest an edit. And once that edit goes onto your Google My Business page, and if the information is incorrect, then that's something that's out there for the world to see. So it's most definitely important to make sure that you have all your information updated.
It really does matter to add your office hours so that that you're really paying attention to your customers and their needs. Same thing with like reviews. And if getting reviews is important, getting reviews on Google My Business is even that much more important because of what I mentioned earlier, because this is where 60 to 70% of people are going to find local businesses. And just the same as it's important to put your office hours down for the sake of your customers or potential customers, so that they don't show up at your doorstep and waste their time going there because they don't know if you're open or not, or because your office hours are wrong. It's the same thing. For the same reason, you want to reply to your reviews on your Google My Business page, which is a whole nother topic.